Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to share your screen on Zoom meeting, then this video is for you. First, you have to open your browser. Now you can search for zoom.com, and when you are on zoom.com, you can sign up for a new account. If you don't have, or you can sign into your existing accounts. So I'm going to sign in using my Google account here because I have created it with my Google account. So you have to wait until it signs you into the dashboard. Now from here you have to choose the account that you want to continue with and give all the permission that it asks for. So it's taking a time a while. So it has just landed me to the dashboard here on the home. I'm right now on the home of Zoom. So where you can find a host option or join or schedule option. So you can join a meeting, an existing meeting, or you can host a meeting. So for that, it will ask for to open the Zoom meeting application. If you don't have one, you can download it from here and you can install it by following the on-screen prompt showing by the Zoom installer setup. So actual setup install. So from here it will ask for the start permission and you can find the preview. So simply click on start, and when you start the meeting here, you can easily find this share icon here at the very middle at the bottom here. So simply click on share, or you can do is you can click Alt plus S button to start the share. Now you have to do is you have to select the screen that you want to share only. So if you want to share a specific window or screen like this website, this browser screen, or the file screen here, another file screen like this one, the notepad here, anything, or the OBS recorder here, or just like this. So, and if you want to share your entire screen without any type of restriction, all of the window you want to share, then you have to simply click on entire screen here and simply click on share button, and you are good to go to share your screen. And your screen is being shared here. You can see if you click on this drop down button, you can see the screen is shared, has been shared here just like this. If I just minimize all of this, you can see it is mirroring in this section, right? So that's how you can just do it. And also there is some tools that you can use. So just like this, you can use this whiteboard or blackboard, this something like, and also you can do is Control Z to remove this. And that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching, and sorry for this handwriting.